Alright guys, so this is the first fitness video of the channel and it entirely focuses on stretching. Like whether you have suffered from COVID-19 or you want to get started with your flexibility. Here's the video I've performed where I've shown the best possible stretching to open up all the muscles. Go ahead to watch the video and it's only for serious people. People who are serious about fitness or you want to get started with fitness and flexibility. Here's the video for you. Go ahead to share it with your friends. Perform each of the exercise for at least 10 reps in a set which will not cost more than 30 minutes a day. Whole content is divided in 3 columns. The first column there is a human anatomy representing the exercise. On the second part, I am myself performing the exercise with the best possible resources and space available to me. Thirdly, I have mentioned where it helps, which body part it targets. Thus, let's get started and don't forget to hear the instructions over voice. The very first exercise is a very simple neck movement. Often our body gets stiff while walking on the computers. So one of the best exercises to start. The second exercise is to open up the upper back portion, which is quite often remains stiff. The third exercise targets the chest and it is one of the best exercise for the chest muscles. Heading on to the next exercise, which is for the shoulders and the upper arms. We look broad after we do it, like all the stiff muscles gets opened up and helps in our flexibility. Moving to the next part, which is mainly for the triceps and of course for the lats as well. Just make the movement like putting the arms behind the back and it really helps. For this exercise, I could not capture the whole frame, but it targets the abdominal muscles as you can see in the human anatomy. Coming to the lower portion of the body, it's for the calves. Opening up the calf muscles is really important, which often once again remains very stiff. Moving to the very solid exercise for the lats. Apology once again for not covering the whole screen, but it's a good one for the lats. Moving to the inner thigh portion, and this is once again a good movement for a good flexibility. Here is the one which is jointly for the chest and tricep muscles. Perform it according to how I am doing it and you will feel the chest muscles opening up and the triceps getting bigger as well. Coming down to the calves and hamstrings, it really helps opening up the hamstrings muscles. And just put your legs on a table or a chair or on bed and it is really helpful. Feel the stretch and let the body open up. The final movement for the calves region, and it also helps in the toe portion as well. Now, this exercise is too helpful for opening up the whole thigh. It targets the whole thigh, to be honest, and can be performed by putting the legs on the bed. A great stretch for the quadricep muscles, and often we have seen ourselves doing it for any physical training, and it's beneficial before starting any weight exercise. Now it's time for the glutes. Look how I am targeting the glute muscles. I could not cover the whole camera frame, but then you can see how the stretch is exactly done, and it's good enough for opening up the back portion of the body, the main core part. One more simple movement for the chest, as you can see. Now, this movement targets the lats as a whole, and partly it also helps in opening up the bicep muscles. You can just take the help of a rod in your home. One great movement for the inner thighs once again. Another great movement for the quadricep muscles, which is a bit on the difficult side, but I suggest you should try it just the way I am trying on this video, and it will really open up all the quadricep muscles and gives you a lot of flexibility. So just try on the bed or on the floor. This is once again on the difficult side a bit, but you should once again try this, and it's for the inner thigh as well. Now a very simple movement for mostly the lat portion and a partly on the abs region as well. A very simple exercise for the traps, and we can easily perform this. Further apologies for not covering the screen, but then this is once again a good movement for the hamstring, and which we have often seen the athletes doing this. This can really be helpful if done correctly. Well, stretch as much as you can, and that will be good to go. Now, this part of the exercise is definitely difficult for me as well, but you should never stop trying. Then finally we can do the exercise someday. Now, coming to the favorite movement of mine for the forearms. Opening the forearms is really necessary. Now, this further targets the forearm and can be performed with the help of the rod which is available at home. Coming to another favorite movement of mine, which is a deep stretch of the lats region, which helps to open up further. Coming towards the end of the exercises, which is again for the lats and the forearms, it further helps. A good movement to test your flexibility finally. And the last one for the leg muscles should end with this on the legs portion. The very last exercise for the glutes and the abdominal muscles. All of these stretchings are testing your flexibility and getting you better. Coming to the second last exercise and the last one for the glutes, and we are almost ready to be in a good position considering our flexibility and our strength and endurance. And this finally is the last set of the exercise, and it's ending with lats.